Hi, this is Pankaj Singh here, your host and host, your brother from another mother. So today in this episode, I'm gonna talk about if I had to start from scratch with no audience, no money, no experience, then what I would do to make affiliate commission. So I'm gonna talk about this. But before telling this, I just want to say that as you know, I have my own mastermind where I share my strategy, my you can say my experience. So yes, if you want to learn how to start affiliate marketing or how to scale your affiliate marketing business, then down below you can comment mastermind and I will send you the details to join my mastermind. Right? Now, coming to our topic, if I had to start from scratch with no money, no audience, no experience, what I would do to make my affiliate commission. As you know, I have been in this situation where I had no money, no audience, no experience. I used to search online how to make money and you can say how to make my affiliate commission. I used to do so many things and I failed for years. I failed for years with no results until this clicked. So here I'm gonna talk about my roadmap that what I would do to make my affiliate commission, right? But before telling this, I just want to say that if you don't know what is affiliate marketing, then in simple line, I would say affiliate marketing is kind of like starting a fire. Mean to say, here I see that somebody who's new, what they do, they you can say they rub two sticks together randomly. But if you gather dry wood, here dry wood is kind of like a good offer, great offer, and you add oxygen to that. Here, oxygen is targeted traffic, and you use a spark. Spark here is value driven content. Then what happens? It ignites. So, same thing happens in our affiliate marketing. When you combine a good offer, targeted traffic, and value driven content, you start getting results in your affiliate marketing business. All right. So, now here, what roadmap that I will use if I had to start from scratch. So here, first, I would pick one high converting product in my niche. As you know, my niche is make money online. So in your case, your niche can be in out of three market like health, wealth, or relationship. So it's up to you. But for me, my niche is make money online. So I would pick one high converting product that is converting, and this product must be paying $100 to $500 commission at least or more. That would be my you can say kind of parameters. And here one more thing that I would say, before promoting that high converting offer or high converting product, first I will go through that product and I will check this product if that will be a course, a digital course. So I will go through the training, go through the course, and when I will find that yes, it's a great product to promote, then I will go and start promoting it. I will never, ever, ever promote any product just for the sake of making money. Yes, as you know that people buy because of the face value. People buy because of the trust. People buy because of the goodwill. And when trust is gone, when goodwill is gone, your business is gone. So I will never, ever, ever promote any crappy product. I always go for high converting product that provides real value, that solves the problem of my ideal prospect, right? So this would be my first step. Second thing I would do, I would create a lead magnet considering my ideal prospect, and through this lead magnet I will collect emails. I will build my email list. Yes. By the way, if you don't know what is lead magnet is kind of like you can say it can be any free ebook, free cheat sheet, free mind map, free training, free webinar, free master class. It can be anything, right? As in my case, as you know that I'm offering my four figure content formula. This is my, you can say, kind of short ebook. This is my lead magnet. So I will create lead magnet so that I can build trust, so that I can let people know me, like me, trust me. And as you know that I always say nobody gonna buy from you unless they know you, like you, trust you, and feel relatable to you, right? So I will create lead magnet, and I will give this lead magnet for free in exchange of name and email address. Okay. Third thing, I will build a two steps simple funnel having landing page where I will offer lead magnet, and thank you page, or you call bridge page where you bridge the gap between the subscriber and the affiliate offer that you are promoting. So I will create two steps simple sales system or sales funnel. By this sales system or sales funnel, I will promote my lead magnet, and no doubt on the thank you page, or you can say bridge page, I will offer my affiliate offer, offering bonuses just to stand out from the competition. I will not promote any affiliate product without offering any bonuses. Now you tell me, there are, you can say, people, they are looking for product. Let's assume I'm promoting one funnelable challenge training, and there are other marketers too, they are promoting same product. Okay. Now there is one person, he lands on my sales funnel, he submit his name and email address, and immediately he goes to my thank you page. And on thank you page, he, you can say, he has my video where I am talking about my affiliate offer, I'm talking about my story, and I'm saying that if you buy affiliate product, then I will give you my bonuses 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6, whatever it is, right? Now at the same time, same person goes to another affiliate marketer. What he is doing, he just simply having landing page, and as soon as he or she submits his name and email address, he goes to thank you page, and where he is offering affiliate product without offering any bonuses. Now you tell me where this person will go. whether he will go towards me or towards this second person where he is not offering any bonuses. I got your answer. Definitely he will come to me. Why? Because I'm offering bonuses. No doubt he has to buy the product. Then why he will not buy the product from me? Because he has to pay the same amount. But by paying the same amount, he is getting extra bonuses, extra value, right? So that's why it's very, very important whenever you create two-step sales system or sales funnel having landing page or bridge page. Don't just randomly promote your affiliate product. Promote your bonuses too, so that you can stand out from the competition, so that you can give extra reason to buy from you. Got it? Now, next, fourth, what I will do, as you know that this is the era of video marketing. So what I will do, I will create a short video. Definitely I will go with reels. Nowadays you know that people are making reels. So I will create a reels, and through that reels what I will do, I will solve the problem of my ideal prospect. I will provide you value. I will provide solution to their problem through my reels. And these reels I can, you can say, post on my Facebook profile or on my Instagram, right? So here that I will do, I will create short reels, and in reel I will, you can say, solve the problem of my ideal prospect. I will solve their problem. And at the end of the reel, I will say something like, hey, by the way, if you want more information, more details, then go and check the link in my bio, or you can send me the message for more details, right? So that's how I will promote my affiliate offer through my reel. I will direct them to my two-step sales system where they will get my free lead magnet, as soon as they submit their name and email address, they will go to my bridge page where I'm offering affiliate product, right? So that I will do. And next, or you can say fifth step, that is I will create email sequence, 5-day or 10-day email sequence, and I will follow up them. Let's assume that once they submit their name and email address, they don't buy my affiliate product. So what I will do, I will follow up them, I will remind them, and in my emails, no doubt I will promote my affiliate offer, but I will also provide value through my emails. So I will follow up my ideal prospect, and through my email I will promote my affiliate offer too. And let's assume after 10 days of email sequence, email follow up, they don't buy. I will start promoting any other product, right? Because it it doesn't mean that person A is liking your product, affiliate product, but at the same time there is person B, he will also like your same product. It doesn't matter. It is not like that. Maybe he will like any other product, so I can offer him any other product, right? So that's why it's very, very important to build your email list, right? So this is what I will do. And yes, no doubt, if if there will be any possibility, I will also connect with them through messenger. I will send DMs, I will build a relationship with them, I will talk to them in DMs. And if I think that yes, I can solve their problem, then definitely I will promote my services, I will promote my affiliate product, right? So this is what I would do. First, I will pick one high converting product. Second, I will create lead magnet, and then I will create two step simple sales system. I will create, or you can say, short reel, short video, and I will start promoting that reel on my Facebook or Instagram profile. And yes, finally I will follow up them through email or DMs. So this will be my process to make my affiliate commission. If I had to start from scratch with no audience, no money, no experience, right? So now you know what I would do if I had to start from scratch, right? So once you follow this roadmap, no doubt, this simple system, if you follow this, it will build trust, it will grow your email list, and no doubt, if you build a relationship with your ideal prospect, it will also build, you can say, connection with you, trust with you, and finally they will come to you to buy your product. They will start having trust on you if you provide value, right? So this you can do, right? By the way, again, if you want to start your affiliate marketing business, or you want to scale your affiliate marketing business, then yes, you can join my affiliate mastermind. Down below you can comment mastermind, and I will send you the details, right? So that's it for today. Thank you so much for watching. Love you. Have a nice day. Bye bye.